The question was, what are some guidelines for using lookups or calculation fields versus pulling in values via scripts? It's a great question. Let's talk about lookups first, which have been around forever and they aren't ever going to go away as too many legacy solutions use them. Nowadays we set the value via an auto-enter calculation. In both cases a value is set from another table or record. That value is then fixed in that it doesn't normally change. Perhaps the best example would be a product which has a price. When you sell that product, the price is entered into the sale record and is locked in at that price no matter what happens to the price of the product over time. Imagine what a mess you would be in if your invoices kept changing as prices did. The end result is exactly the same, but there are occasions when legacy code such as lookups is going to be slower. They changed it for a reason, a good one. The second part of the question is about using calculations or setting values via scripts. Unstored calculations and summary fields are very slow, especially with large data sets and over a wide area network. Wherever possible, it is better to set values via a script. Let's take a classic example of inventory control. Inventory comes in and is added and items are sold and deducted. The net result of these two transactions, which are happening in separate tables, is the current inventory level. If you use calculations to get that number, they will be unstored and slow, sometimes very, very slow indeed. If, however, you set a number field with the starting quantity for each product, then increase the value with deliveries as they come in, decreasing it as items are sold, there are no calculations and it is blindingly fast to see current inventory levels across all your products. I think it is fairly safe to say that more and more developers are using less and less calculations.